Alright, here we go. Good luck, Jacob. NC State Guy 26 going to try a box of 2014 Perennial Draft Picks Prizms. What? What are you talking about? There's the utmost respect in this room. Yeah, that I agree with. Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. Alright, we got our Prizm, Nick Birdie. There's our first auto. Feel weird. I haven't been online all week, and this just feels weird. I got a blue of Connor Joe. That is numbered 82 of 199. There's a red Prizm auto. There's another, a purple Prizm auto. We got Aaron Brown. Do the Brown. Alex Jackson Prizm. Miners Gold. Blue Mojo Prizm, Dermis Garcia. Number to 75, 32 of 75. On Dermis. Jogato, oh my gato. Blue Prizm, 196 of 199. That's 2 packs coming up. Michael Sederoth Prizm. And what did Funk do to you, man? Purple, Wyatt Strahan. That is numbered 80 of 149. Third round draft pick. Alright, sir. First autograph is of the purple Prizm. Good luck. T-Quad Forbes. Texas Rangers. That is numbered 43 of 149. Skip over the red. Already see it. Jeremy Rhodes, Prizm. Prizm auto for the Los Angeles Angels, not numbered. I compared myself to Greg Maddux, he says. Wow. Cray. That compares himself to Greg Maddux. Alright, our red Prizm autograph is Bradley Zimmer for the Cleveland Indians. Very nice. That is numbered 14 of 100. And that was a break. Good stuff. Thank you, Jacob.